Ever clicked on a sketchy link and suddenly your phone start acting like it's paused, or maybe your Netflix account got hacked, and now some random guy is bringing watching K drama on your profile. Cybersecurity is not just for tech nuts, it's for everyone. Whatever you want to hack, uh, legally, of course, protect your data, or even build a career in cybersecurity, you are in the right place. Welcome to RootSecX. Let's be real. Learning cybersecurity by yourself is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. You don't even know what you don't know. Then there's are those premium courses that's cost a kidney. Not everyone can afford them. That's why I created RootSecX, a place where anyone can learn cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and defense strategy for free in a structured and fun way. So, what can you expect from this channel? A complete roadmap to cybersecurity packed with practical hands-on learning, offensive security, ethical hacking, bug bounties, penetration testing, defense security, threat intelligence, SOC, digital forensic, mobile hacking, Android, iOS, app security, web hacking, breaking and securing websites, cloud security, AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure hacking, AI and cybersecurity, machine learning and hacking. Now, no boring lecture, just real world hacking and defensing technique that you can actively use. And then there are those premium courses. Now you are probably thinking, who is this guy and why should I learn from him? Well, I am Nikhil Kumar, a cybersecurity enthusiast who live and breathe hacking legally. Don't worry, FBI. I actively participate in multiple CTF competitions, including IIT BHU CTF, IIT Ropar CTF, and many more. And every time I ranked under the top 50, I break things, then fix them. Most of the time, this channel for everyone, total beginner who just want to protect their online account, inspiring ethical hackers looking to get into bug bounty pen testing, cybersecurity professionals who want to sharpen their skills, anyone who loves tech hacking and cybersecurity contents. Even if you just love watching cool hacking stuff while eating Maggie, welcome to the club. In the next video, I will show you how to hack your first website legally in a safe environment. You will get to experience what an ethical hacker's job actually looks like. So don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button like a brute force attack. Turn on notifications so you stay ahead of hackers. Drop a comment on what you want to learn next. Alright, future ethical hackers, it's time to live up. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay secure, and keep learning.